In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack workspace picture. Changing your workspace icon can give your team a refreshed look and foster a unified team identity. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Slack website. It's here that you manage everything from the comfort of your preferred web browser. Simply go to slack.com, which is the home of AI work management and productivity tools. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Slack offers a seamless sign-in process if you have a Google account. Just click on Sign In with Google. This will connect your Google account directly to Slack, making logging in swift and convenient. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub, the place where all your team interactions, direct messages, and channels live. From here, move your focus to your profile. Clicking on your profile is your entryway into personalizing your workspace experience. Now that you're in your profile area, it's time to turn your attention to your workspace. You'll want to click on the specific workspace that you're aiming to update. This might be your main office channel, a project-specific workspace, or any other group space that you're part of on Slack. Once you've selected the correct workspace, it's time to hunt down the workspace icon. You'll see an option to edit this icon, which is what we're interested in today. Click on Edit Workspace Icon, and this will open up the controls you need to upload a new picture. Finally, the last step is to click on Upload a New Icon. This feature allows you to select a new image from your computer, be it your company's logo, a team motif, or anything else that suits your team's identity. When selecting the image, make sure it's clear and represents what you want your team to embody. Once you've made your choice, hit upload, and just like that, your new workspace picture is ready to shine. And there you have it. Changing your Slack workspace picture is a straightforward process, yet it offers the potential for your team to feel more connected and unified. A fresh workspace image can rally your team spirit, convey professionalism, and truly represent what your organization stands for. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.